KAWA Dashcam Hardwire Kit Installation Guide. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will demonstrate how to install the dashcam parking monitor cable to ensure your vehicle is monitored around the clock, even when parked. Before installation, prepare the dashcam, parking monitor cable, and a multimeter or test pen to find the ACC and B+ fuses. Insert the SD card into the dashcam, connect the parking monitor cable, leave enough length, and hide the excess along the roof lining to the fuse box. I will show you two voltage testing methods, digital multimeter and test pen. After testing, connect the three parking monitor wires, red to ACC, yellow to B+, and black to the ground, the screw on the fuse box. After connecting, use the app to connect to the device and enable the parking monitor function. Start the car and connect the app. Go to the settings page, click on Advanced Settings, and you'll see the parking monitor and time-lapse recording functions. Parking monitoring. After the engine is turned off, the device screen will display a blue P. When a collision or vibration is detected, the dashcam will automatically start recording a video, which will be saved in the parking monitoring video folder. Time-lapse recording. After the engine is turned off, the device screen will display a blue PT and continue recording video. Each saved 1-minute video is compressed from 30 minutes of footage, allowing for extended recording while maximizing storage space and reducing overwrite frequency. The videos are saved in the time-lapse recording folder. This concludes the entire process of installing the dashcam parking monitor cable. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you complete the installation smoothly. If you encounter any issues during installation, please feel free to contact our customer support. Wishing you safe driving and a pleasant life.